Hello, welcome to Access Spoken English. In this video, I am going to discuss 15 common pronunciation mistakes we make while pronouncing certain words in English, and I'll also suggest the correct pronunciation so that next time when you utter these words, you won't end up sounding dumb. So let's check out these 15 pronunciation mistakes one by one. Number one, how do you pronounce this word? You don't say colonel, you say colonel, as if there is an R in the middle. So, let's check out the meaning of this word first. It means an officer of high rank in the army or air force that is above a lieutenant and below a brigadier or brigadier general. So, how will you use this word while speaking it in a sentence? Let's check the example. When the colonel entered the office, everyone stood up and saluted him. Number two, how to pronounce this word? You don't say lieutenant, you say lieutenant, as if there is an F in the middle. Lieutenant. Let's check the meaning. Lieutenant means a rank of officer in the army. Example, my elder brother is a lieutenant in the Indian Army. Number 3. In English alphabet, letter A comes first. But when you are using letter A as an article, you should not pronounce it as A. Call it a table, a chair, a glass. For example, don't say there is a plan for tomorrow. You should always say there is a plan for tomorrow. Never say a girl is sitting on the chair. Say a girl is sitting on the chair. Number 4. How will you pronounce this word? Don't say executive. Say executive. Executive. Executive means someone in high position, especially in business, who makes decisions and puts them into action. Example, the executive meeting has been postponed. Number 5. How will you pronounce this word? Don't say rendezvous. Say rendezvous. At the end, the S remains silent. Rendezvous. Rendezvous means a meeting at an agreed time and place. Example, I have a rendezvous with a special friend this evening. Number 6. How to pronounce this word? Fiancé. With the single E and the double E at the end of the word, you have to pronounce it in the same manner. Fiancé. It's not that with the single E you say fiancé and with the double E you say fiancée. For both the spellings, you only say fiancé. An additional note I need to mention here is, this is a French word. In French language, when there is a double E at the end of this kind of a word, it stands for the feminine. But the pronunciation remains the same. Example, how will you use it in a sentence? He'll visit the store today to buy the wedding dress for his fiancée. Number 7. How will you pronounce this word? It is called logistics, not logistics. Once I made a mistake in pronouncing it as logistics and I got a bit insulted by my friend. So, I never make this mistake. You should also not make such a mistake. Pronounce it as logistics. What is the meaning of logistics? It means it is the process of planning and executing the proper transportation and storage of goods from the point of origin to the point of consumption. Example, Harry is now in charge of the logistics department. Number 8. How to pronounce this word? Don't call it lingerie or lingerie. It is lingerie. Je, not je. Lingerie. Lingerie means women's underwear or night clothes. Example, the lingerie store is next to the beauty parlor. Number 9. How to pronounce this word? Q. Simply Q. Not QE or QUUE or anything like that. Simply Q. What does the word queue mean? It means a waiting line of persons or vehicles. Example, she has been waiting in the queue in front of the bank since afternoon. Number 10. This word is pronounced as genre, not genre or genre. It is pronounced as genre. What is the meaning of this word? A style or category of art, music, or literature. Example, horror fiction is my favorite genre. Number 11. Now, this is a very simple word, but many of us pronounce it as Wednesday, but you should call it Wednesday, as if the D doesn't exist in the middle. The D remains silent. You don't call it Wednesday, you say Wednesday. Example, I'll call you up this Wednesday. Number 12. Now, this is a very confusing word. There are two pronunciations that circulate everywhere. One is mythology, another one is mythology. Know this today that the correct pronunciation is mythology, not mythology. What does the word mythology mean? It means an allegorical narrative belonging to a particular religious or cultural tradition. Example, Indian mythology is full of supernatural beings with superhuman powers. Number 13. This is another simple word, but many of us make the mistake of pronouncing it as appear. It is pronounced as appear. Remember the article a, you call it a, not a. Similarly, you should say appear. I will give some examples of similar words like arrangement, not arrangement. Announcement, not announcement. So call this appear, arrangement, announcement, appraisal. Example, the student did not appear for the oral exam. Number 14. Pronounce this word as cash. Simply cash. The way you pronounce C-A-S-H, cash. Simply C-A-C-H-E is also pronounced as cash, not catch. What is the meaning of the word cash? It means a collection of items of the same type stored in a hidden place or for future use. Example, the police found a cache of illegal data stored in this computer. Number 15. Pronounce this word as entrepreneur, not entrepreneur. Entrepreneur. What is the meaning of the word entrepreneur? It means an individual who creates a new business, bearing most of the financial risks and enjoying most of the rewards. Example, Riaz has won the Entrepreneur of the Year award at the Global Business Summit. I hope you found this video informative and useful. You can hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Access Spoken English for more videos on spoken English practice. See you soon. Bye-bye.